Hello. So today we are going to learn on how to add integers using the rules. Now the first rule is adding integers with the same sign. Now take note. In adding integers with the same sign, add the numbers and copy the common sign. When we say the same sign, could be positive, you're adding positive, or you're adding negative and then negative integers. So let's take a look example number 1. So we have positive 3 plus positive 2. So they're both positive. So basically our sign is automatically a positive, and simply add the numbers, which is 5. Okay, now let's proceed to number 2. We have negative 3 plus negative 2. Again, they're both negatives. So basically, we're going to add the numbers 3 plus 2, which is 5. Next, the common sign is negative. So just simply write negative 5. Therefore, negative 3 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Now, another rule in adding integers using different signs or with different signs. When we say different signs, you're adding positive, negative, or you're adding negative and positive integers. So, let's take a look in here. Subtract the numbers. Take note, when adding different signs, subtract the numbers. When adding same signs, add the numbers. So subtract the numbers with different signs and copy the sign of the larger number. Okay, larger number, just number, identify the number and identify the signs later. Okay, so let's take example number 1. It says positive 5 plus negative 2. Again, you're adding different signs. What are we going to do? We have to subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, copy the sign of the larger number. So which one is larger between 5 and 2? Obviously, we have 5. What is the sign of 5? Positive. So our answer is positive 3. You may write positive 3 or you may not. That's understood to be a positive. Okay? Now, let's proceed to number 2. Adding integers with different signs. So we have negative 5 plus positive 3. Again, negative and then positive. We are going to subtract the numbers. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Which one is larger between 5 and 3? We have 5. And what is the sign of 5? We have negative. So therefore, the answer is negative 2. Okay? I'm going to give you time to answer by yourself 1 and 2. Adding integers with the same sign and then adding integers with different signs. Have a good day.